how to find Shake Shack that offers delivery, dine-in or walk-up. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you want to get more information about a Shake Shack store, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser and go to shakeshack.com. Scroll down to the bottom and then go to locations. Now you need to scroll down and you'll see map of locations. So just zoom it and then find the location near you. And then just right click on the location and once you right click on it, you need to tap on it and then you need to tap on more info. So the page information will open up and you can see order types. So here you can see delivery, drive up and dine in. So all three is possible. Now you can just come back and do the same for other Shake Shack locations. You can just tap on it and then go to more info and find the information. Like here, you can only see the dine-in option. So that means you can only go for dine-in. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.